fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. Hey, you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is...
The first museum in Nigeria, established in the year 1945. But before 1945, the object you are going to see in the gallery has been long discovered for long. Particularly, it was discovered in the year 1775. So, and that stone images has its own uniqueness. They are over 1,500. And by the way, this museum happens to be the only museum that houses that type of images, the largest number in the whole of the world. So, but the uniqueness about it again is that the discovery came through accidental discovery. The person that discovered it was Baragbon. And when the objects were discovered, they were in a semicircle form with the king in their midst. And having discovered this object, the person that discovered ran back home to meet the then king of this place. And they discovered that these objects were human beings before. They offended God, and God turned them to stone because of their disobedience to God. So that is the oral source about it. However, the archaeologists, they have the opinion that the objects were carved. So we are in between two opinions now. Somebody said the objects were carved. Another person said they were human beings turned to stone. But there's a saying in national language that Gonya Fiji, which Yoruba will translate to me, Iroyin Kotamojuba. So when we get here now, you are going to see it yourself. So it will now be left for you to believe, to take between the two alternatives. Shall we move?
We shall. super gossip, dripping like a faucet. Let one know you bustin', baby. They wanna know a secret, why it's so perfect. You're the sole purpose of my life. Pacific girl, mama, accompany me. Ain't no secret that you're my lady. Like God, I know when you rock up with your girls, looking precious cool, baby, like your girl.
Owu Waterfall, guys. Getting here is not easy. I kid you not. I'm not trying to exaggerate. We've been walking for the longest. I am out of breath. You can hear me. And I didn't eat breakfast, you know. Some are at the back. Some are not even yet. Finally! Do you understand? This is lovely. You speak the silence till you scream me. You take your body, you mishandle me. You speak the violence till you ambush me. Now I'm not your silent. Now I'm not your silent. Let me know permission. Missionary getting boring. I say your song, you'll never listen. No, no. I've been out, baby. Every rapper just abandoned train. We are at the first railway track in Nigeria. I've always wanted to come here for the longest, but anytime. Train that carries passengers.
No, you can't be fucking the same hoes, drink the same water, looking at the same stars, book, about to make the shit happen.
Spanish girl mixed with Creole. She always tell me I'm an asshole. Tennis on my neck like I'm Big 4. 550 Williando. All these girls on my tattoos. I ain't a player, but I had to. She wanna do it in a bathroom, so we did it in a bathroom. Need a real bitch, no man tie. I told her slide like midnight. She wanted sex and red wine. Dog, I'm a canine. Yeah, I'm a dog. Lonzo, bitch, how I ball. I told her she could have it all. My hoes in love. She a bad bitch,
Guys,
she's on my language, I pull it around.
sweet baby. I have phobia for heights, and I'm already kind of feeling dizzy. It's actually really cute. We are going to where
Park was buried, where he died. Is it where he died or where he was buried? They buried him here, so we are going to where Mongo Park was buried. Yeah. That's where we are going. We are going to the boat. So we're going to an island where we'll be staying overnight. So there's a boat that is going to take us there. So we're heading down to where the boat is. I am so tired, mind you, and I'm hungry. And I am thirsty. I don't want water. I just want something. So yeah, I think that's the boat down there.
I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking in my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking in my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you. We can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then baby, sing it with me. Oh, I don't leave when I walk in. No question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I walk my tongue the way I trip. It's like my thoughts, so please don't trip. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful.
Then they love to hate, but all the bad model girls, they
all this, they just turn on to our ferry.